Hey loves, how are you doing? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I know that it's been a while. It's been like a month. I know it's been like a month, and I'm sure most of you are wondering what's up, what's going on, where are the videos? Guys, I'm sorry. I haven't been well for some time. Yeah, I haven't been well. Yes, so I hope that you're still there. I hope that you're still watching my videos. I hope that you're still leaving those comments and likes on my videos. But thank you so much, because as much as I haven't been posting, you guys have been there. I have seen your comments. Many of you have been saying, where are the videos? We can't see your videos. What's going on, guys? I haven't been well. And if you are watching this video and you feel like you can bless me with a camera, kindly bless me with a camera. Kindly. I'll appreciate a lot. Anyway, today's video coming live from this amazing place. You can see there's a lot of trees as usual. Yeah, so today we're going to cook. Actually, we are going to cook sweet potatoes from this point. So make sure that you like this video from the start to the end. Make sure you watch this video from the start to the end. Leave a comment below and don't forget to like the video itself. So my people, stay tuned, keep sharing my videos. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers. Let's get there, let's get there before we get to next year. What do you think, my people? Share the videos widely so that many people can get to see them. So my people, as I said, we are going to cook sweet potatoes. I have them in this pot. You can see these are sweet potatoes. I have them in this pot, and we are going to cook using this pot. So make sure you like this video and leave a comment below. So guys, these are the sweet potatoes. Oops. Hey my loves, so this is a traditional plant. Actually, it's very organic. If you have stomach issues, if you are cramping as a lady, then I think you should try out this lion's ear. This is lion's ear. As much as I don't have the, what is it called, the fruit, that looks like the lion's ear itself, but this is the lion's ear plant. If you have stomach issues and you're cramping and you want to use the traditional method to eliminate your problems, then you need to just boil it, leave it for a little bit to cool down, then you drink it for several days, like 5 or 4, then you will see your problems disappearing. Those are stomach issues problem, you'll see them disappearing. But guys, it's very bitter. The medicine, it's just not a normal plant, it's a medicine, and it's really good, but it's very bitter. But if you come across the lion's ear at your village or wherever you are, if you are going for a nature walk and you come across it, kindly take it home, because this is a natural remedy and very, very, very nice for your body and stomach. Yeah, even this one, it's a medicine, especially if you have a what is it called, you have a flu. This is one of the best medicine for the flu. This one here, you also take the leaves, you go and boil it and you drink it. This is the best. It's a natural medicine too. Anyway, my people, I hope that you are liking this video. I hope that wherever we have reached, you have liked this video, you have left a comment right there and tell me what you think about this amazing video. Let me show you the lion's ear, actually, the one that is in form of like a fruit of the lion's ear. So this is the ear, this one here, this is the ear, and the one that I showed you are just the leaves. They are the medicine too. So this is the ear itself, and the flowers are these ones. They're usually orange in color, and you can see it's in a shape of a lion's ear. That's why it's called like that. That's a very, very good remedy for your stomach issues, if you have any. Try it out. Yeah, but guys, keep on supporting me, keep on watching my videos, keep on subscribing. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go, and make sure you watch my recent videos. I know there's a lot on the channel you can watch, guys. There's a lot of videos there. Keep watching them, keep sharing them. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers. They are not yet ready, my people, but yeah, I'll have to wait a little bit. So my people, I think it's ready. I have a plate here. Yeah, you can see. You can see it. This is the sweet potato. It's ready, actually.